Context is happening on this calendar Tuesday, 9 February 2021, and context say everything getting clear for start to suspect on this millennium. Human commanding goods on grave, human which on ordinary among social. And about 6661 for discovery evening, similar conclusion, result. Definitive non-fake statement or testimony on internet. And about the suspect on progress until this 2021 is very near by the contact experienced people on international. Context saying Allen family already for this improvement and say on interest for status independence, because also context 6661 for discovery family being polemic and about professing speech also. Allen found international status as a fixer about particular internet ID 6661 for discovery family. For next. Context say on this moment calendar 9 February 2021 the university address very code from country Indonesia, from Asia, or about human commanding goods from grave, costume, ethnic local of them. And Allen family also still need to be contact for alibi and assuring the condition supernatural actually. About 6661 for the discovery meaning ordinary experience for this telecommunication and contact body. Context say peoples from Indonesia and about also peoples from Asia. Very acute as suspect since 2008. They are on conspiration for conquest authority national Yahweh about human commanding goods from grave on this millennium. International already learned for their activity and also about their attitude, culture, for their costumes, ethnic, human commanding goods from grave also. And about contact Allen family also, say already informed for the investigation, and the result is 6661 for discovery family, definitive except for this moment millennium. Valid, non-fake statement on internet global. Allen found interest for the appointment status official about the project and also momentum. 666 as code number in Kobe Centurion. Agreement Allen family with 6661 for discovery family. Allen family on declared status national 666 to Allen family. About Allen family consistency self national country money logo, geography virtual also or negative internet. Among human countries to future. Allen family own money logo, safe national bank, and also about government by them. About this basic situation case, called millennium, called human commanding goods from grave, already clear, and 6661 for discovery meaning as the pointer for the claim. Also reconfirm Allen family agree for this moment millennium. 6661 for discovery meaning as code number in Bible. Allen family first step millennium protocol precondition. About Allen family interest existence self national country, self money logo, self podium international speech on next moment. Code millennium also and to future. Allen family on existency authority monitor self police for money logo 666 among human countries. 6661 for discovery meaning want say this moment situation ordinary supernatural still happening and contact also already include for this moment alibi. Suspect human on this millennium definitive proof through internet ID 6661 for discovery meaning extraordinary life of a name Irwan Cornell, owner of 6661 for discovery meaning. About phenomena, activity, human commanding goes to grave on this millennium. Conspiration from Asia and also international contact alien for betraying the case by peoples also. Code Yahwa or about also domicile country name Indonesia. Human commanding goes to grave, costumes, ethnic, local, among social on this millennium. Already pioneering since 2008 and already contact alien about discovery meaning number go people also by 6661 for discovery meaning. Alien family contact alien friendship human also in the same time need to be confirmed again. Next, alien family is owner on international assets and also about internet about project also and about money logo. Sample also to dinar, Arab, Israel, and also dollar, America, and also about a new one, euro, money logo of Uniropa. Context and family our capability actually for status committee project realization and about 6661 per discovery meaning just need to be proved for the validity status original 666 because alien family also already contact international for appointment to original. So 6661 for discovery meaning definitive got agreement with alien family for the status and already contact for progress alibi about basic value case phenomena supernatural mark of the beast or about human commanding goods from grave or millennium. Alien family contact about warning global code human commanding goods from grave to 6661 for discovery meaning. Suspect definitive about human among social conspiration of them also such also friendship and also about economy only and about money and also about attitude with name victim premier to Irwan Cornell or owner of 6661 for discovery meaning. Context say 6661 for discovery meaning definitive winner for his moment progress pioneering case since 2008. Holy Spirit destiny, alien family ownership and alibi. Contact conversation already happening since years before 6661 for discovery meaning. To Uniropa starts alien also as foundation of Uniropa because of money logo euro and to America's record also United States of America until this moment a conference recording 6661 for discovery meaning still got disturbed by unknown people for the speech. 6661 for discovery meaning. Want to say thank you very much and still got contact about supernatural activity human contact body and telecommunication. Money logo 666 as alien family identity definitive clear agreement on this millennium. On internet global with ID 6661 for discovery meaning. Money logo 666 as alien family futuristic identity among human countries by code millennium. Contact by 6661 for discovery meaning actually and conform again alien family on millennium about the situation conspiration among social already proved by peoples contact body and telecommunication phenomena supernatural until these years 2021 since years 2008. Contact for confirm alien family about necessary ID card alien family because also contact say alien family on a plan also for our identity among human countries we call Ethernet or about internet also. A substantial part of project 666 to concept can be made on internet by 666 on discovery. Actually, about existence of my logo 666 as step for proclamation or declaration on this millennium. Substantially introduced of national alien family or millennium, or about Ethereum galaxies also, code ambassador to 666. About also alien family names or meaning also prepared centurion secret of national UFO. Want to introduce by this moment appointment declaration national 666 alien family ownership my logo as part of committee self alien family for the identity card and starts government and civilian of nationality the my logo 666 on internet global or about internet also among human countries. Context say 666 one for discovery meaning actually project or appointment for Nick ID Citron also or Citytronic internet or ethernet. Alien family ownership actually or basic foundation contact national Ethereum galaxies for meaning Citron or also about ethernet. As meaning national internet futuristic or virtual zone. Geography also as meaning virtual. With national project appointment developing alien family authority among human countries or about ownership or meaning also national money logo 666 actually. It also by introducing alien ownership to geography planet Mars. A shadow or country future of 666 money logo alien family planet Mars plan or promote also as meaning contact 666 ICDM say also confirm alien family UFO is unique also about alien family status mobiles national 666 or actually country of 666 alien identity Ethereum galaxies. About also connection or meaning also office to planet Mars or interplanet. Alien family national interplanet for descripting meaning money logo 666 nationality. National alien family about Ethernet or meaning also internet actually. 666 as appointment for code digital money conversation continue on this moment 2021. Actually about appointment alien as national internet with substantial existence money logo 666 actually our human countries on planet Earth. Alien on interest for our ship ID card that want to put on internet http www.666.com. As forex or also meaning 666 in forex or internet digital money confession derivative market virtual or forex to internet. Alien family appointment for a claim the ownership by existence my logo 666 on future among human countries about Ethernet. Protocolar sustainable already began on this millennium by Internet ID 6661 for discovery. Existence of my logo 666 support contact alien fund international meaning also already approved for status exists actually with alibi alien fund names each others on international. It also about alien American national alien family. As appointment realization project since this millennium, ID 6661 for discovery or internet global or meaning also friendship with worldwide among human countries, code Ethernet or internet. Nick ID contact alien about Citron or Citron or meaning Citytronic internet for descripting about 666 as code digital money. And internet as project also by committee self Alien family futuristic. Appointment money logo ambassador national Ethereum galaxies. Alien our ambassador money logo could not be vivo. This is also alien appointment starts government geography interplanet to Mercury and to Pluto. Its alien status as interparallel civilian and status also government self. Context saying also about crown angel or meaning also alien include for angel. Contact until this moment calendar disturbance supernatural phenomena still going on by this moment protocol one confirmed also by 666 on discovery. Alien Farm International contact 666 on discovery need to promote also about alien farm status already conversation to countries and also about leadership to alien emerter and also another alien family names on this moment international millennium. About appointment existence national country my logo alien family among human countries from Arabic Israel also based contact on this moment recording say through another country on this millennium. Alien Farm International definitive proof this moment experience people already known about that and 666 on discovery meaning based context say definitive possible for the reward or about regain to earn money by this moment experience. 6661 discovery meaning want to say thank you very much international alien friendship human and contact also about names and alien tape on United States of America and also alien on another countries because context also and family actually start to self-ambassador for this moment friendship only. 6661 discovery meaning can be found through internet global social media such as also Google and also another link also video by YouTube and another link website that can be found on internet ID 666 ICDM. Context also on this moment last minute suspect on this situation think also about international from countries about their interest also or their own situation self then country Indonesia domicile resident 6661 for discovery meaning 6661 for discovery meaning already made the conference on this moment calendar. The 6 days was create human context here alien finds as owner of numbering co-vivo unemployment co-millennium with alien recognition human attribute starts Holy Spirit or meaning also struggle for existence alien farm and national country money logo and called Ethernet also alien emerter and about code human commanding goes from grave 6661 for discovery meaning contact alibi alien family definitive proof on this moment progressive since 2008 until 2021 and want to say thank you very much national countries each other on this millennium. See you again on my next internet 6661 for discovery meaning based contact on this last minute say also need to be optimistic for the reward or about regain money on a bank account of name in one corner. Thank you very much and see you again on my next internet